Finding a house under, say, $470,000 in this town is becoming even more increasingly difficult to find. So if you've been waiting for an affordable opportunity to get into this market, don't wait. Welcome to my new listing here at 145 Intervale Road in Trumbull. I think this is an amazing neighborhood. I've got a lot of great memories in this area. As a matter of fact, my grandparents lived just a few blocks down. Something that they loved about the area was the convenience to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways. As a matter of fact, the highway is just a real short drive right down the road here. And you know, we're in the Booth Hill Elementary School District. As a matter of fact, a neighbor named John happened to walk up after when he saw us doing the videoing. He happened to walk up to me and say, hey, you know, don't forget, this place is so close to Beersley Park. My wife and I walk there almost every day. So listen, come inside, let's check this house out. One thing I noticed about this house right off the bat is how sun-filled it is. You know, maybe it's this really large picture window here in the living room, but I do know that beneath all this carpeting are the oak hardwood floors. I kind of like that knotty pine. It's really classic old world character, but it's beautiful. The knotty pine wood on the walls. You know, it's got the wood burning fireplace with that hand carved mantle. Just really, really pretty. So down here, I mean, we've got 3 generously sized bedrooms, each with oak floors. Matter of fact, there's oak floors in the hallway too. Great closet space and a full bath. Whoa, I just can't get over the size of this huge eating kitchen. I mean, great counter space, good cabinet space, large dining area. Again, nice window overlooking the backyard. This is a great room, and I mean, with a little bit of imagination, you can really build some equity here. Well, at the kitchen, I mean, you've got a 3rd bedroom, which can also act as a dining room if you wanted it to. There's a closet, it's got the oak floors. So when I was talking to Cheryl, she said that this room they call the TV room, and how they grew up. And this can also substitute as a den or a little rec room. But again, it's got walls of windows just overlooking the backyard. Beautiful, really nice. You know, so back here you've got a really large wooden deck. You know, it's very private in the backyard here. I just think it's a great place to put the grill and have your barbecues, and I also think it's a nice place to sit and have your morning coffee as well. Great yard. So thank you so much for coming on this tour of 145 Intervale Road. If you'd like more information or a private showing of this house, you can always call me, shoot me a text or an email at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@cannone.com. Listen, thanks again for coming on the tour. I hope to hear from you. Hope you like it and have a great rest of your day.